Hi, Room 12. Happy rainy day. All right, here we go. Our story today is I Am the Rain. We're going to see how the water is many different things. It takes the shape of many different things. So let's get into it. Sometimes I'm the rain cloud, and sometimes I'm the rain. Sometimes I'm a roadside rapids roaring down a drain. I can show you rainbows in mist or morning dew. I can be a muddy flood or a pool of aqua blue. Once I was a waterfall, but now I'm just a wave. At high tide I'm the breaking swell that daring surfers brave. In winter I'm the icy flake that's melting on your nose. As skiers ski and skaters skate, I'm sleeping when it snows. When springtime comes, I melt away and run into a creek. Waiting, I'm the ocean bay that's searching rivers seek. Soon the summer sun is back and warms me with its rays. I rise and rumbling thunderheads like castles in the haze. In fall I sink into a fog and blanket chilly fields with pumpkins touched by morning frost. The harvest season yields. You'll find me in the comet high circling in the stars. I'm also carving canyons deep on Earth and on cousin Mars. Because of me the land is green. I'm why the sea is blue. All of life depends on me. I'm even part of you. Soon I'll be a cloud once more, and then I'll fall as rain. My circle takes me wide and far, but I'll come round again. I am water. My circle is called the water cycle. First starts as condensation. Water vapor cools as it rises and comes up, becomes a cloud of water droplets. Precipitation is the rain when it comes down. Water droplets stick together until they get so big and heavy that they fall as rain, snow, hail, or sleet. And then they collect together, and when rain all collects together, we see it in lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans. Right up to evaporation, water is warmed and becomes water vapor, so it returns back to the sky. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.